Welcome back to Folks. And today we have a really exciting topic lined up for you. We're going to dive into one of the most anticipated bikes hitting the streets in 2026, the Triumph Speed 400. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast, a fan of the Triumph brand, or just someone interested in cutting-edge design and performance, you're going to love what we have in store today. Now, Triumph has always been known for its rich history and strong legacy in the world of motorcycles. They've produced some of the most iconic bikes on the market, and the Speed series is no exception. So, what's new with the 2026 Triumph Speed 400? What can we expect from the bike, and how does it stand out in the growing segment of mid-sized motorcycles? Grab your helmets, because we're going to take a deep dive into everything you need to know about this exciting new ride. Before we get started, if you love motorcycles as much as I do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our awesome motorcycle content. Now, let's jump right in. Before we dive into the specifics of the Speed 400, let's take a brief look at Triumph's rich history. Founded in 1902, Triumph has been a staple of the motorcycle world for over a century, producing everything from classic cruisers to high-performance sport bikes. The Speed series, in particular, has been one of the company's most well-loved lines, known for blending power, comfort, and style. But Triumph isn't a brand that sits still. Over the years, they've continually evolved, staying ahead of the curve with cutting-edge technologies, beautiful design, and performance that makes you feel like you're riding a piece of history. With the 2026 Triumph Speed 400, the company aims to bring a modern, dynamic, and highly capable bike to the ever-growing mid-sized motorcycle market. The Speed 400 isn't just a throwback to the classic Speed models of the past. It's an evolution that promises to deliver both in terms of performance and innovation. Let's talk about what makes the 2026 Triumph Speed 400 stand out. We've all seen the rise of mid-sized bikes in recent years. Think 300 cubic centimeters to 500 cubic centimeters bikes that are perfect for beginners, commuters, and even seasoned riders looking for something that's fun, practical, and affordable. But Triumph isn't just throwing another mid-sized bike into the mix. They're doing it with a level of detail and craftsmanship that only a brand with Triumph's pedigree can bring. So, what's new with the 2026 Triumph Speed 400? Let's break it down into key areas: performance, design, technology, and ride experience. When it comes to performance, Triumph has always been known for delivering bikes that can handle both city streets and open highways with ease. The Speed 400 is no different. The 2026 model features a 398 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that's been finely tuned for both power and efficiency. You're looking at around 40 horsepower, which is more than enough to make this bike feel quick and nimble, whether you're cruising through the city or carving up winding back roads. One of the standout features of the Speed 400 is its torque delivery. The single-cylinder engine provides a healthy amount of low-end torque, which makes it a joy to ride in traffic and at lower speeds. You get smooth throttle response and a bike that feels very manageable. But don't let that fool you. The Speed 400 still packs enough punch for highway cruising and even some spirited riding. Transmission is another key aspect of the bike's performance. Triumph has opted for a smooth 6-speed gearbox that provides precise shifting with just the right amount of feedback. This gives riders a great level of control, whether they're accelerating quickly or cruising at a steady pace. The clutch feel is light and easy to use, making the bike accessible to a wide range of riders, from newcomers to experienced motorcyclists. Now let's talk about looks. When it comes to design, Triumph has always managed to strike that perfect balance between classic styling and modern elements. The 2026 Speed 400 follows this tradition. The bike has a sleek, minimalist look that's both stylish and practical. The tank is beautifully sculpted, with clean lines that enhance the bike's overall athletic stance. It's a bike that looks fast even when it's standing still. The headlamp is modern and sharp, incorporating LED technology to provide great visibility at night. The tail section of the bike is compact and well-proportioned, with an integrated LED light that adds to the bike's sleek design. Another standout feature is the exhaust system. Triumph has kept the design understated, but very classy. The exhaust gives off a deep, throaty sound without being obnoxious, providing just enough character to remind you that you're riding something special. It's a classic British look with a modern twist, making the Speed 400 a true head-turner. When it comes to technology, the 2026 Speed 400 doesn't disappoint. Triumph has outfitted the bike with a digital display that combines modern tech with the traditional feel of riding. The display is sleek, easy to read, and shows all the essential info you need, like speed, fuel level, trip info, and more. One of the most important features of the Speed 400 is its ride-by-wire throttle system, which gives riders smoother and more precise throttle control. This also allows for better fuel efficiency and more responsive performance. Additionally, the bike comes with ABS brakes as standard, ensuring that you have all the confidence you need when it comes to stopping power. The ABS system helps in all weather conditions and when riding aggressively, making it a great feature for both beginners and experienced riders. When it comes to how the 2026 Triumph Speed 400 rides, this bike truly shines. The chassis is designed to offer a balanced and comfortable ride. The frame is lightweight, providing excellent handling, while still maintaining stability when riding at higher speeds. One of the best aspects of the Speed 400 is its suspension setup. It comes equipped with a front telescopic fork and a monoshock rear suspension. This gives the bike a smooth ride, even over uneven roads or bumps. The suspension does a great job of absorbing shocks and making longer rides more comfortable, which is a big deal for riders who plan on using the Speed 400 as a daily commuter or for weekend rides. As for the ergonomics, the Speed 400 is designed to be comfortable for riders of all sizes. The seat height is relatively low, making it accessible for shorter riders, but the seating position is still comfortable for taller riders. You'll find that you can ride the bike for hours without feeling fatigued, thanks to the neutral riding position and well-placed foot pegs. With its blend of performance, design, and technology, the Triumph Speed 400 is certainly a bike to watch out for in 2026. It promises to be one of the best options in the mid-sized motorcycle market, offering something for everyone. If you're excited about the Triumph Speed 400, let me know in the comments below. And of course, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Outro music fades out.